Good evening, everyone. Today is my day 5 of my Leetcode journey. Today I am taking problem number 3612, which is process string with special operations. Means we have to perform some special operations on string with help of strings. Means you can read all the description of this problem statement from Leetcode. I am just explaining what we have to do. So here we have given strings means alphabet, English alphabet lowercase a to z, and three special character from keyboard, which is first one is multiplication, second hashtag, and percentage. Multiplication operate remove last characters, means it refers to the operation of removing last character from the whole string. Second one is for duplicate, means it duplicates the string. Third one percentage, which reverse the string, means if we take an example, so there are a, c, and d, three strings, means one string of three characters, three letters. If this symbol occurs, so we have to remove last character, so we will remove b from here, so the result will be ac. And if this symbol occurs, so we have to duplicate the string into itself, means the resultant string will be ac and ac. If this one occurs, means we have to reverse the string, so we will easily reverse it. So this is our basic concept of this problem statement. So we will implement on Leetcode. Here I have written the code which says that we have make a class which name is solution, class solution, which is public, because we have to access all the operations and the variables and methods from outside the class, so we have to make it public. It is very necessary to make the class public because we have to perform outside the class. So now we making a object which is object or method which is type string. Data type is string, means this method returns result as a string, which name is process str, and it will also take input as string. Now we are creating a string result, means we are creating a box which is fully empty, which name is result, short form res. So in first, when we initialize any variable, it will also be empty. We do not need to do not need to represent as it empty. So now move. Here we are using for each loop because we have to perform iteration on all the string or on all the characters of string, means we are using for each loop, which is represented like this. For character c, we are taking an iterator which is c, which type of character, because our alphabet are character which works on string s. So here we go into this loop and we will now implement our main basic conditions which will help to solve this problem. So first condition is if a is less or equal to c and c is less or equal to z, means we have to travel in between the alphabets, means a to z. Here this is simply written like we have to travel this character c in between a to z, means if character c go go out from this range, we will not perform this if condition. So and if this condition satisfies, so we will count plus this character on the result box. So if we take an example, here given example is this one. So we'll taking this example like a hashtag and b percentage, and the last one is multiplication. So this one is our input. So this loop will travel on the whole string and store all the string into the box result. So first we travel like a, means our box is, let me draw this on another page, which is this one. So we have box. First the problem was A hashtag, B percentile, this one. So first we check A. First we go to the first character, which is A. We will match this condition. This condition is satisfied, so we will put into this result. C we put into the result. So we will put A into this result box. Now we will go to another. This one is hashtag. So we will check this condition. This condition is not satisfying, so we will go to this else if box. Here we will check that this condition is satisfying, means here if C is equal to star 1. So here we are taking hashtag, so this will not go to in this loop. So we'll again move forward, and last loop, which is else if, which says that if character C is equal to hashtag, yes, this condition is satisfying, so we will go inside the loop. The it is saying that we have to plus the result into the existing result, means we have to just duplicate the string, because we already told you that we have to duplicate the string with this character when this character occurs. So we have to just duplicate it, means here's only A. Now because of it will be double A, duplicate. So these two parts have done. Now move forward to B. This is satisfying first condition because it is alphabet. So we will put into the box B. We can make it like this: A, A, B. Now this one, this is percentage. This is again not alphabet. This is not a star. This is not hashtag. Yeah, it is percentage. So we will go into this loop or this statement. So we'll be going to this, and it's there's a inbuilt function which name is reverse. If you know programming language, there are some inbuilt function where we don't need to implement our logic. We have to just call that method. So here we calling reverse method, which works on, means we have to begin to end, means we are reversing our string from begin to end. So as I told you, percentage is for reversing the string, so here it will reverse the string, means now string is AAB, now the string will be BAA. Now again what remaining, this star 1. So you have to process it. We will check the first condition. No, this is not alphabet. So we will go to else if loop. Yes, it is star 1. So we will go into this and check if string is empty, means the star works like we have to remove last character. If there will be no character, so what will be we remove? So we have to first check if the box is empty or not. So here the box is not empty, you can see. Yeah, yes, the box is not empty, so we'll perform next operation, which is rest pop back. It is a stack operation which pop out, means out the element from the back of the stack. So here we are treating this as a stack, and we will be pop the back element, which is A. That's what we have to do. Remove last character. So we'll remove that A, pop back. So the remaining string will be now BA. And lastly, we will return our result as output. So we will return in function, the result is BA. So our code is done. You can see that here input was this and our output is BA. Yeah, you can see. So I will run this code in front of you. You can see that code is as it is, I have explained you, and I will run it. Yeah, you can see that the code is accepting the our solution. So this is for today. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.